Hey pickleball players, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best pickleball paddles for 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for better control, an intermediate player chasing that perfect sweet spot, or an advanced competitor wanting maximum power, I've got the best paddles lined up for every style of play. I tested them for feel, performance, durability, and overall value, so you don't have to. Be sure to check out all the product links in the description below if you want to grab any of these paddles. Let's get started. 5YC DGY Kasai Pickleball Paddles. Upgrade your game with the YC DGY Kasai Fiberglass Pickleball Paddle Set, designed for players who want power, control, and all-day comfort. Built with a lightweight honeycomb polymer core and a responsive fiberglass surface, each paddle weighs just 7.5 to 7.9 ounces for excellent balance, reduced ball deflection, and smoother, more accurate shots. The soft, sweat-wicking anti-slip grip stays comfortable even during long matches, while edge guard protection adds durability and helps prevent damage from repeated hits. USA Pay approved for tournament play. These paddles feature a generous sweet spot and vibrant sporty colors, making them perfect for both competition and casual fun. This unbeatable value set includes 2 paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, and a convenient carry bag, plus reliable after-sales support for total peace of mind. Lightweight performance, full control, and tournament-approved quality in one complete pickleball set. 4-point NHYHN Pickleball Paddles. Meet the Tenvina Pickleball Paddle, built to elevate every shot you make on the court. Crafted with multi-layer T700 SC carbon fiber using advanced dry jet wet spinning technology, it delivers explosive power with effortless control. The matte textured carbon fiber surface adds extra friction for precise placement and high-speed spin, while staying tough against intense, continuous play. Inside, the THC polymer honeycomb core creates a larger sweet spot, outstanding stability, and a smooth, responsive feel. With 4 paddle options to match your offensive or defensive style, a comfortable non-slip ergonomic grip, a sleek all-black modern design, and USA approval, Tenvina isn't just a paddle, it's your competitive edge. Plus, with a 1-year after-sales service, you can play with total confidence. Power, control, and confidence. Every match, every shot. 3 DGYGQ Pickleball Paddles. Take your game to the next level with the DGYGQ Pickleball Paddle, built for peak performance and all-day comfort. Precision engineered with high-quality carbon fiber, this paddle delivers an elite playing experience for beginners and seasoned players alike. The extended handle is perfect for two-handed backhands, giving you better balance and extra leverage for more powerful swings, while the lightweight 8-ounce design ensures quick reactions, smooth handling, and explosive shots. Its 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core with ABS edges enhances shock absorption, providing superior control and a softer, more consistent feel on every hit. Plus, keeping your paddle fresh is effortless. Our soft rubber cleaning block removes residue and grime in just a few swipes, leaving your raw carbon fiber paddle looking brand new and match-ready. 2 Gary Pickleball Paddles. Level up your game with the USAP-approved Gary WL01 Pickleball Paddles, built for tournament play and trusted by players worldwide. Crafted to strict USA Pickleball standards and officially approved for competitive and international events, these paddles feature premium carbon fiber faces paired with a high-density polypropylene honeycomb core for a perfect blend of power, control, spin, and feel. Despite the thicker 0.69-inch profile, they stay lightweight at just 7.7 8.1 ounces, delivering excellent bounce and precision on every shot. The ergonomic, sweat-absorbing grip ensures comfort and control during intense rallies, while the durable edge guard and large sweet spot keep your hits consistent and confident. Ideal for beginners, intermediates, and pros alike, this complete set includes 2 paddles, 6 40-hole balls, grip tapes, and a versatile carry bag, making it a fantastic gift and an all-in-one solution for anyone serious about pickleball. 1. M10 Pickleball Paddles. Level up your game with this USA Pay-approved pickleball paddle set, built for performance, comfort, and confidence on the court. Made with a premium fiberglass face and polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles deliver the perfect balance of power, control, and reduced vibration for a clean, consistent hit every time. The fiberglass surface boosts spin and rotation, while the reinforced edge guard keeps the paddle lightweight, strong, and durable. Designed with a comfortable, sweat-absorbent ergonomic grip and a 4.7 inches circumference, you'll get better wrist snap, control, and all-day comfort. With a wide paddle face for a larger sweet spot and a medium weight of just 7.8 aughts, this set is ideal for beginners, intermediate, and competitive players alike. The complete kit includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor balls, 2 grip tapes, and a carry bag. Everything you need to hit the court and play like a pro. Perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. And that wraps up our top 5 best pickleball paddles for 2026. Whether you're looking for more power, better control, or an all-around paddle to level up your game, there's something on this list for every type of player. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices, reviews, and availability before you buy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and comment below which paddle you're rocking this season, or which one you're thinking of picking up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.